We Northerners, we must shine. Gulu, Arua, we must shine. Little people, you should join the trend. You should join the trend. You know? Let's disturb these people. We're we down. We now bring international artists straight home. They don't even need to sleep in Kampala. No. But we don't need to board a bus to come to Kampala for a concert. They are bringing these guys here at home. Northern Uganda must shine. It's our time to shine. We are international. It's not everything. Not every time Kampala. You have so many cities now. We can do these things. Shout out to all Northerners. I love you guys. I follow my dad. Bye.